Welcome to the hydraulic press channel. Today we are going to crush some carbon fiber composites. These were sent by GE Composites from Poland, and we have these two like tubes. This big tube which is race car drive shaft, and then this quite thick carbon sandwich like. I think we are going to start with these two because they are like the easiest, and then we work way up to this mean thing. Yeah, let's see. That was quite lame. And then the second one standing up. Oh! What the fuck? I was completely sure that I was absolutely sure that it would somehow crack and come to million pieces, but no, it's just like crumbled slowly. Very strange. And then the larger one. Yeah, this one started with bang and then the same thing as last one. Yeah, and then the main opponent of the day, the carbon sandwich. And then this carbon sandwich piece, this is going to be really hard, and I think it's not going to be destroyed with this tool, but let's try anyways. Yeah, it seems that it didn't do anything for the piece. And now I have smaller tool. I think it's about maybe 60% of surface area of the last tool, so almost twice the pressure against the carbon fiber. Let's see. Absolutely nothing. And as a last resort, I am forced to integrate this nut to the carbon fiber. I am quite sure that the nut will penetrate the carbon fiber, but let's see. What the fuck? I cannot see nuts, and the carbon fiber looks just fine. I think I did some kind of magic trick. Let's see. So the nut should be inside of that carbon fiber, and let's have a look. Yeah, it is there. Now you can see it quite clearly. And on the bottom, this looks completely fine. Yeah, this is one of the toughest things that we are crushed, because even the nut didn't break it. It's just like integrated there and leave the most of the thing intact. Yeah, I think this is all for today. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Welcome to the hydraulic press channel. Today we have Epic Battle small car jack versus 100-ton press. And we are taking turns. So first this jack is going to push up and then the press is going to crash down. Let's see. So the car jack is now touching the press. And I am going to put little pressure against the jack. There's now some pressure, and then I'm going to jack the seat out of the press. I think it's actually rising. So now I have pressure valve of the press almost completely open, and I'm going to press down with the press. And going to use this on the same time. Yeah, it just goes down. I think I'm going to take this away, take some slow motion cameras and then crush the whole thing. That wasn't very dramatic. I think the press wins and the jack lose. And now the press is going to give final crush to our small jack. And because that car jack was so easy opponent for our press, we decided to give something a bit harder. This is same polycarbonate blast shield that we use to protect ourselves, and there is 25 millimeters of it, and we are going to try crush it. What the fuck? I didn't expect that. That was quite good. Sadly our slow speed camera got hit and it didn't record the thing, but it's okay, don't worry. And I think if someday our blast shield look like this, then we have quite large problems, because if anything goes like this, it's going quite fast. Yeah. I think this is all for today. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. And for today's extra content we have this zombie maggot. It is extremely dangerous and may attack at any time. So we must deal with it.